gently moving, slowly turning, waves were rolling by. Your smile on the shore, one day long ago, went deep where we and shine. Warm and tender, strong but slender, you were holding me. Those stars in your eyes, a dream on my mind, that you would be saying, don't leave me. Sounds of a sea full of storm, full of peace, in the words as you whispered to me. Every song that you sing, every joy